First, it was this.
I think on the girl is like when catch get licked down. This is now than dance the thinking boy in a car and I am crutches. How you know that? And I grab out on this, that's all I'm good to do.
The next day.
Fuck out to the woman. They tell him that a million last time. When you tell her to me nothing.
I him come over.
Fucking on here. Thinking drunk.
I him come from YouTube over Hellshire.
2 hours later.
Or else, if you don't want to lock down there, we don't glass. Come here to each and every prisoner around it tonight. I'm going to shit down this machine nuts.
This umbrella is the definition of Jamaica is not a real place. Anyway, you know it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. So for the first time you check out the Chaddy More TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification. So anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. Now people, we have a lot of topics to talk about. So I'm just going to start off by playing this song and then we're going to the topics them. And we are going to talk about that fella there. The Hellshire man. The Hellshire man will feel like he is above the law. Brother, let me tell you this. No one is above the law.
All of we are family, yeah. All of we are one. 6-1 law for your gang. I said we find a strategy, yeah. We find a plan. We get our youths with ambition. 6 in the month. Lord God is sick. We have Zaki and this my damn man. We got them wicked and bad. Now boy can't see we am brag.
Yeah. Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What vibes? Chaddy More TV.
People, that artist is called Fire Dupes and people, just like his name, his music is fire. You can go link him. Me I go leave a link in the description. So go and go link him. A 6 him say, 6 in a the mag. A 6 artist and guess what? A Portland you too. So go and go give him a strength no.
All you like family. All you want. Just like the farm.
So people, the first topic we are going to attack is this Hellshire man here. We feel like he's above the law. Now people, he's currently in police custody. The Jamaica Constabulary Force official Instagram page released a video. Understatement. The man seen breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act in a viral video is now in police custody. His arrest stemmed from an incident in which he was seen not wearing a mask in Hellshire, St. Catherine yesterday. He was instructed to put on a mask but openly refused while hurling expletives at the police.
Take off the mask and come back. Go call the army and then more come. Tell Andrew Holiness we want him over here if he sit down and talk. Lick me down, that's what I'm doing. Lick me down. I think on the girl is like when catch get licked down.
In another post made by the Jamaica Constabulary Force official Instagram page, they post a photograph of him. You can see he's in handcuffed and he's getting his temperature checked and he is indeed wearing a mask. So they post that photograph with the caption, "The man seen breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act in viral video has been charged." He was charged for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act, disorderly conduct, indecent language, obstructing the police, using abusive and calumnious language. He is 42-year-old Stephen Witter of Stony Hill in St. Andrew. He was fitted with a mask and his temperature checked before being placed in the lockup.
They got to free me. The f***ing world wanna see me. Babylon, be yourself, you can't be me. They got to free me.
I don't always agree with the police, you know. But in this case, them need to lock him up. Because Umbria going like he's above the law. Remember, no, he was cursing expletives at the police yesterday, Sunday, over Hellshire, wearing the same clothing forward back again across of the police. And then even when the police them go lock him up, him across of the police them same way. And then Jamaica Constabulary Force, come on man. Uno have about 5 or 4 police officers around the man and yet still uno can't put him in the jeep. Uno need to do better man. Come on. Look like uno eat too much ice cream, you know. Now, there's a very disturbing video circulating on social media, and no, me not talk about the pastor. I want to stop circulate rumor about a Portland and a Jamaica I'm forward from. Him not come from Jamaica, him not come from Portland, alright? But we not talk about that. We are talking about a video where a woman can be seen clearly giving a man some knowledge. And meanwhile, she give the man the knowledge, she give the man knowledge. She then take a cracker from a baby. So meaning the woman, the male, and the baby did up on one bed. And the baby feed the woman with crackers. The video is disturbing. Very, very disturbing. People, that's like the only part I can play. And trust me, you don't want to see the full video. Now, rumors start circulating that it is DHQ, Nikki, yeah, Marvin, baby mother, and the video. I don't know how them get that, because to me, the lady what me just seen at the video and Marvin, baby mother, Nikki, is not the same. Them not look alike, and more want to look for yourself. Wanna see the resemblance? To me not see it, but more want to tell me in the comment section what you think. But Nikki quickly went on her Instagram page to address the matter. This is what she said.
The type of video they out there with this girl here, cause me not mix up in a not them blood clot nasty kill is something there. You get what me I say? I'm sick on I got tired of my blood clot face, and I got try and bring me down, and it's not going to work. It won't work. It will never work. You get what me I say? Sometimes, hey, remember me, I'm not the type of person who come on social media, come cause somebody with them and go on with things, Because guess what? One thing with me, Me's a decent girl. People talk so many shit about me, I'm just laugh and go through, cause fuck them. But when them I got alright, you know say alright, there's a video out and a Queen Nikki in the blood clot video, and she was telling me that say, hey, let's suck on a mother. Where? I don't mean that. So I can't talk what I want to talk, but when there's going to involve a kid, a pit in the blood clot involve, I get crackers. All the parents, they forget some blood clotless and just give jungle justice, cause some nasty careless woman that, And some nasty careless woman that when it, you see my two pitney them, so when it come to my two kids them, me no blood clot run joke, me with dirt a gal or a boy for my pitney them, and them not for touch them.
People, let me know what you think about that. But the female on the video, you're disgusting, mama. Them need to take away pitney from you. Both you and the man too. Yeah, boy, you not get way. 200 disgusting. But it is not, in my opinion, it is not Nikisha. So let's move on.
When you see me, you're so looking like my last year. Man, I last me just a looking at my thoughts and free some things that people don't mean out the past. Now act like some are perfect, everybody have them flaws. Long before that COVID thing, then enough of them I wear a mask, yeah.
People, we supposed to can get the full song, the full recorded version song from Nation Boss. But not tell a lie, yo. At the first 40-odd second, me listen over and over. I would swear that is a full song. From morning, me I listen to the song. Until we reach out to the artist, and the artist I say, yo, him soon release the full song. And Chaddy TV even asks for interview the artist, and him say most definitely. So we can look out for an interview with Nation Boss. Soon. And people, him even drop a snippet of him in the studio, vibing to the rhythm. Check this out.
Oh, them dead.
It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. And people, don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. And people, we are gonna leave you with another freestyle from Nation Boss, the Guru. People, check this out.
One nation, dog. You know what's going on. It's kill up on the loose, yeah. No bag of talking. Well, alright. Of one nation. Of one nation. Waiting on me G. Alright. Kill up on the loose, young youth on the move with a bad attitude, with some extended socks in my shoes. Any wrong move or the trigger me a abuse. Sport mode, kick back until you be my fi cruise. With your girl a give me like in a the orange hill weed a give me the groove. Me feel high like send me day up a heaven roof. Why you feel some me flow up on the rhythm and smooth. Epic and sour diesel a when me a use another weed and any get me in a the mood. And me say come on steady when me a go through no drop yard. When you see me go for the food, 32 in the clip, you kill ready for shoot. Me native them dark, me I tell you the truth. Execute boy, shallow bury all of the proof. Tell them, in a real life, me buy my gun for protect my 3 points. Me no beg friend. What you feel like sting of them, they are not talk about bees life. So me tell them, in a real life, yeah. In a real life, if every boy that's sure than seaside. You know me